Hey guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Are you looking for a Fossil watch? The confusion of which one to choose is understandable, keeping in view a whole lot of options available in the market. But don't you worry, because we have got you covered. We are here presenting you the top 5 best Fossil watches of 2022 through extensive research and testing. This list of options is based upon the budget, performance or an overall best Fossil watch to choose from a bunch of options. For your further ease, I have posted links in the description box below. Also, like this video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. On number 5, we have Fossilmate Stainless Steel Chronograph Watch. This Fossil watch is the best pick for a bold and oversized look that is certain to be noticed. The clean military-inspired design with oversized lugs and bold detail offers a perfect rugged yet laid-back look for any day or night out. The 50mm case size and 24mm band size exhibit perfect compatibility. The quartz movement with chronograph analog display, date window and tough mineral crystal lens appeal to the customers through its innovative features. The stainless steel case and the black dial of this Fossil watch perfectly complement each other. The stainless steel bracelet-style strap can be deployed and can be interchanged with other Fossil stars, as it offers a wide range of variety. This Fossil watch is water-resistant to 50 meters, making it suitable for swimming, but snorkeling and diving should be avoided on wearing it. Furthermore, local Fossil stores offer complimentary engraving on some models of this range. On number 4, let us look at the features of that Fossil men's machine FS5164 watch. If you are looking for a watch suitable for everyday use, this Fossil watch can be your perfect match. It is specifically designed for men with the ultimate masculine attributes, for instance, its oversized and rigid look. This stainless steel watch is a two-tone watch with blue silicon and a black stainless steel bracelet band, which is interchangeable with all 24mm Fossil watch bands. With a case size of 45mm, this watch presents you with a chronograph analog display and a mineral scratch-resistant lens. This Fossil watch has a tough dial with a date window and 3 further sub-dials. The knurled top ring makes this watch even more eye-catching. Like the previously mentioned Nate watch, this Fossil watch is resistant to 50 meters of water, thus swimming and showering would not really matter while you are wearing the watch. Customizing engraving is available for this version of the Fossil watch as well at any local store of Fossil. On number 3, we have a recommendation for a casual watch by Fossil, none other than Fossil Men's Coachman watch. This watch is designed with quartz stainless steel and a genuine leather casual strap. The creativity and ingenuity of this watch are inspiring. It is so designed to outlast fleeting and everyday changing trends. This Fossil watch exhibits an ageless and effortless style that will turn out a pretty good investment for casual use as well as for any occasion. The colors available in this model are black and brown and are well known for giving you a royal look. The 45mm case size possesses quartz chronograph movement and is made up of stainless steel with 3 other sub-dials as well. The width of the strap is 22mm and has an interchangeable capability as well. The strap's inner circumference is 200 ± 5mm. The watch has a water resistance of 10 atms, which means it can withstand shallow water swimming, diving and hand washing, etc. The customizing engraving facility is offered for this Fossil watch model as well. On number 2, we have Fossil Men's Gen 5e watch, which is a smart watch as well. It comes with an always-on display with numerous watch faces to choose from. This Fossil watch assists you in the automated tracking of your activity goals, steps, sleep, heart rate and cardio level, etc. The enhanced feature of sleep tracking allows you to record your sleep history and monitor your rest and sleep goals. Apart from fitness, payment, music, news, social, games, stopwatch, etc. are further key features. This Fossil watch is perfect for all of your water activities as it comes with a swim-proof design. The enhanced innovation allows you to stay connected with calls and text notifications. Furthermore, you can answer calls directly from your watch when your cell phone is out of reach. Automated time, time zone, apps and calendar syncing add to the perfection of this watch. The battery extends up to 24 hours plus time and takes 50 minutes to reach 80%. This Fossil watch is perfect for those looking for one of the most advanced Fossil watches. You might be thinking that we are missing out on women. No. We hereby present you, on number 1, Fossil Women's Gen 5e smartwatch, which is one of the best options to select from Fossil watches. A 1.2 inches screen size rose gold colored watch can be a perfect watch to add elegance. Certainly. The always-on display of this watch resonates with a mechanical watch showing time every hour on the hour. This Fossil watch will help you to keep in check your steps count, sleep time, heart rate and cardio level, etc. Furthermore, the GPS tethering will give you a track of your path and distance covered. The advanced sensors provide data to power your health and fitness apps. Automated time zone, calendar syncing, call and text notifications allow you to stay connected with your phone. In addition to that, women can enhance their style, from thousands of watch faces that go according to their outfit or style. Fitness, music, games, payments and stopwatches add to the innovation of this Fossil watch. Hope you found this video helpful. If you are new to our channel, well, first of all, a warm welcome. And now don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. For more upcoming videos, stay tuned. The links to the products are mentioned in the description box below, which are updated to the latest prices. Hope to see you all in the next video. Until then, goodbye.